all I gotta say is, this place is certainly interesting. Anyways, let's ride the elevator. Got a Montgomery KONE here. Apparently it's meant to look like this. This is not worn at all. This is actually pretty unique. Here it is. Whoa. That is... This is interesting. That is a very slow door. Alright, here we go. Big bump. Oh, it just dropped. Oh, the lanterns did not light up. I've never actually seen these older innovation buttons before. This is my first time pushing them. That's what they feel like, I guess. And then this is, alright, that's an ADA phone though. Yeah, it's completely meant to look like this. This is not worn out at all. Ooh, it literally... It's an interesting store. That's pretty cool. That is one slow door. Guess they got LED replaced here. Anyways, that's it.